For today's walk, we're in Oppland in inland Norway for another walk at Sør-Mesna. This time it is a woodland walk starting outside of Mesnali village that takes us along the river and down to the lake. Winter has come early, so today it looks more like this. I'm Oliver and this is Lana. She is an energetic Krumfalander puppy and we're exploring Norway together. For this walk, we are winging it without a suggested walk from ut.no, but we are following a path which you can see on the ut.no website that follows the river between Nord-Mesna and Sør-Mesna. We are therefore calling this the Nord-Mesna to Sør-Mesna River Walk. Our starting point is this car park on the Lillehammer side of the bridge outside of Mesnali village, where the footpath takes us into the woodland area heading east. Despite the winding nature of the path as it weaves between trees and ponds, it is very easy to follow. Lana is keeping in the middle of the pack, maybe after having seen what happens to those in the front or back in action films. She is on her lead because of the thin ice on the river, and I'm not sure how close the path comes to it yet. After 10 minutes there is a fork where we take a short detour to see the river and admire the scenery, before heading back and continuing along the main path. We take a brief stop here to clear some snow off Lana's legs and see if she wants a drink. She wants neither and instead seems impatient to carry on. Like those blueberry bushes. Like blueberry bushes. We continue straight on at the next signpost, but bear in mind the other path for later. Here the path starts to open up a little, and there are some clearings, as well as this sun-dappled path that takes us to the next junction.
Where now?
That's a good question. I'll look at the map. It turns out to be left, and after a short way we cross the river that we have been following all this time. After another 5 minutes of walking, we reach another junction where, as the clever man says, right-hand turn, we take a right-hand turn. We have been here before and know to keep right in order to get to the shore of the lake. The lake is as beautiful as ever, but quite a lot else has changed since we were here last. Lana has a nose around and treats us to her mini polar bear impressions. From the end of the beach, we head into the woodland and loop back to the junction where we initially turned down to the beach in the first place. Now we simply retrace our steps to take us back. Remember that signpost we were keeping in mind? On the way back, we take a little detour down to the shore of the lake again. It is all very beautiful, but the sun is fading and we can only stay a little while. Thank you for joining us on another one of our walks. To join us next time, hit the subscribe button.